The steps for adding and managing users are found under the User tab. This tab is only available to users with administrative rights or with rights to edit users. To add a user, click Create New. The user ID, password, email address, and supervisor fields are required. A supervisor can view and manage only the users assigned to them if they have the rights to edit users. You can also fill in additional information about the user, like name and location. Next, click on Rights to assign permissions to this user. In one click, you can assign the default rights for standard, manager, or administrator profiles. You can also customize user rights by clicking on or off each of the functions. Click Terminals to assign a terminal to the user and select the terminal. You can easily create a new user by copying the rights of an existing user. First, locate the user you wish to copy. Check the box next to the user and click Copy User. Fill in the information about the new user and click Copy User. You can edit a user's information, rights, and terminal access at any time by locating the user under the Find Edit User tab, searching for the user, clicking on the ID, and making the edits. For more information about adding and managing users, visit the Resources and Documentation section located on the Converge login page at www.convergepay.com.